In some ancient tribes, women liked to pierce a hole in their ears and then insert a round wooden disc into the hole. After a few weeks, the skin around the hole would gradually heal. At this point, the small wooden disc would be removed and replaced with a slightly larger round wooden disc. This process was repeated continuously, each time using a heavier and wider wooden disc, gradually enlarging the ear hole until it could accommodate a huge metal ring. They believed that the larger the metal ring on the ear, the more beautiful and attractive a woman would be. In medieval Europe, whenever someone was accused of a crime, they had to undergo an ancient trial ritual. They would immerse their hand in boiling water and drop in a ring. The suspect had to retrieve this ring and then have their injured hand bandaged. 3 days later, if the wound had healed, it was taken as proof of innocence. If the wound had not healed, the person was considered guilty. Additionally, in that era, if a flute player performed poorly, a heavy iron collar would be placed around his neck, his fingers would be bound to his instrument, and he would then be paraded through the streets. Here, not only would the public freely mock and insult the poor artist, but they would also throw vegetables and rotten food at him to express their dissatisfaction and outrage at the poor quality of the music.